Good afternoon, YouTube. Here on a Saturday afternoon. It's around 2:01 now in the afternoon. I'm sorry, 2:11. I've got to get that clock fixed. That's all there is to it. It keeps actually getting worse. I think. Let me just check, because it says 2:18. That's what it says right now. So it is 2:10. So it's eight minutes off now. It keeps getting worse and worse. So I don't know if there's a calibration thing in there or something or what. But anywho, I'm here with you on this Saturday to do this little job here. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up here. I hope you can tell the difference there between these two. I got this one done, and this one here is next. And I'm going to do the, I'll put this one on video on how I do it. Bob already did this, I know, but I wanted to show you that it does work just exactly the way he said it did. So let me go ahead and do that, and we'll have another video in the thing. Alright, well, what we have here is this here. Like I said, here's a good close-up of the now you can see, I think the idea is between those, you can plug this in here and piggyback these, I think is the way that works. I'm not really sure, but I think that's what that hole is for, I believe. Anyway, that's connected good. I was having a problem, I don't know, when I was playing around with that amp module the other day, putting that in there, that did not want to fit very good. I mean, it fit fine, but it was real loose in there. So I think this one, let's show you what I'm talking about. See, that just barely, I mean, it's no effort at all to push it in or take it out. It just, you know, very loose. So I thought we'd go ahead and update these with the new ones and see how they work. So let me get this off here. That's the first step, you know, get this one off. I'm trying to do this without the magnification. Oops, let me see, let me get this a little bit, there we go. Trying to do this without magnification lamp, and I can do it a little bit. Now that's already been soldered and everything like that, so I'm not going to bother with that. Put that on there, and then put a screw in here. This is the hardest part, is putting these screws in. I found that out. I think I can just, let's see, get the right end. This is magnetic here, so I know those are like brass or whatever they are, but they did seem to hold up pretty good to the magnetic part. And it made a liar out of me, didn't it? It just went right in. So let's get that in there, respectable amount. We'll slip that in like so, and then I'll use this other screwdriver to tighten it up because it's got a little more leverage to it. I can get it a little tighter. That's good. And you just take and push this over the top like that. See how easy that was? Yeah, I know it's not easy. The black one went on real easy. It's going. It's just real hard. Yeah, I need maybe a little help. Got it on that far, but well, I don't know if it needs to be turned a little bit or what, but now the first one went on so easy it was pathetic. Now I don't understand what I'm doing differently on this. Is there a difference in the sides here? Well, I'm putting it on, I think, the same way, although I don't really know. See, there's a what do you call it there, and there's not one on that side. Now this one's like got the same thing, but I can't tell now where the screw was. So I don't know if that makes a difference or not. I'm going to turn this one over just to see. I don't think it does. I don't really do. I don't really think it does. I know it's hard to get over that screw if the screw's not down. Let me see if I can get the screw down a little further. Maybe that's the problem. And like I say, it's just not going like I think it should. It is going, but it's just slow going. Very slow. There it goes. I think we got it that time. Yeah, not quite. Getting closer though. I wonder if I can do it this way. Yeah, that went a little bit more. I think that's just almost got it. Almost. There we go. Alright, there you can see that's in there now. And I have two new ends on my... These are the ones I use mainly for my meter, my fluke meter. And I like for them to be good ones. You know, obviously. These ends are going to need to be changed here before long, I think. I don't know. Alright, let me put that back in there, make sure it's working. Put it on ohmage. And put it on 200 scale. D. Ah, 0.2. Pretty good. Not bad. Alright, that's going to conclude that little demonstration. I think what I need to do is put these screws in this. I know these screws over here, you can see, are going to get lost if I don't put them in these things. And, you know, they don't have to go in the boots, but I mean, they need to go in, the screws need to go in here so they don't get lost so easy. That'd be a good idea, I think. So I think that's really pretty much it. I was going to work on, and I am going to work on, this weekend. Trying to figure out now which one I have to do next. I think it's this one here, the one that's like this one. I think these are the PNPs on the inside, and I believe the NPNs are on the outside, I think. So I need to do that and get that done. And go from there. So once I get that diode, I think it goes from here to here, pretty sure, and get that in, and then I can put my transistor in, the heat sink and stuff like that. But so that's all I've got to do. Pretty easy to do, and you guys probably know I've been taking my time on this. I'm going to be upset if this thing doesn't work again. I mean, you know, I've done everything I, really know to do. I mean, what else is there to do that I haven't done? I mean, tell me. Like I said, this is, maybe that's the one I had that sitting in there. Maybe that's it. No, that's just empty. No, that's TP thermal pad. Oh, that's the pads. Yeah, that's what them are. Okay. Alright. Couldn't remember what those was. Anywho, but my transistor's in the box there. So, alright, I've talked long enough, and I'm trying out the what's it called? HitFilm Express again. I did make a new intro. It's not a big change in the old one, but it is somewhat of a change. And I'm going to try it out and see how that works, and then we'll go from there. Put the sneeze. I thought, anyway, so I got to do that, and that'll be coming up here soon on this amplifier. So stay tuned for that. If I get it done today, I don't know. I may wait till tomorrow. I don't know. It just depends. But anyway, that's what's going on. So, all right, back to the other camera. All right, you've seen the little plug demonstration, the banana plug demonstration. Still haven't put the screws in, but I got to do that. That's gonna do me for this time. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you that it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Now, the red one was a little harder than the black one. Granted, I don't know why. The black one slipped on really easy. So I don't know, but I'm going to investigate these a little closer and see if there's a difference between the ones with where the slot's at there. You can see the little slot, and the other side doesn't have that. So, and I'm thinking maybe if you would probably see, now I didn't heat these up with this. See, now I just heard something fall here, hit me on the thing, and I'm sure it was a screw. Almost 100% certain it was a screw. So now I've got to find that. So anyway, let me sign off here and find it out. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see ya.